don't care. I'm staying here.
Welcome to a vision of Los Angeles. A world crafted from ambition and artistry. Where every moment is an experience, and every view is a masterpiece. This is a journey not just through a city.
What a wonderful evening.
But into a lifestyle defined
The
by
view is
elegance
simply
and
breathtaking.
innovation. Feel the energy. The vibrant pulse of a city that never stops creating. From the sun-drenched coastlines to the sprawling hills, beauty is the native language here. Witness the quiet power of bespoke craftsmanship and the silent hum of futuristic design. This is where timeless style meets the edge of tomorrow. Discover moments of pure serenity, a tranquil escape from the world, a chance to breathe, to indulge,
What a
to
lovely
simply
evening.
be here.
Yes,
Peace
truly
is
magical.
the ultimate luxury.
Welcome to the Beverly Hills Hotel.
Then immerse yourself in the thrill of the moment. The energy of a crowd, the speed of an open road, the glamour of a night that feels endless. Each scene a different dream.
This is
from
such a
grand
great day out
sweeping
here.
vistas to the most intimate personal details.
Absolutely, the views are
This is a
incredible.
celebration of the extraordinary.
Welcome to our beautiful hotel. How can I help you today?
Luxury. It is a state of mind. A world of impossible beauty, reimagined. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey. Subscribe and continue to explore the dream with us.
Welcome to our hotel. How may I assist you today?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Smith.
That's a textbook shot. What a beautiful hit.
I think this one will make you look absolutely stunning.
This is a pretty amazing view.
Absolutely, it's incredible.